Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Also join.
Assalamu alaikum and rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and good afternoon to one and all present here. It is my pleasant duty to welcome all my dear faculty members to this faculty enrichment program titled Tech Techniques Connect to Students during this lockdown period, organized by the Internal Quality Assurance Cell under the CPE grants. So yesterday we had a brief orientation as to how this program is going to be. After that, today we will begin the session with a prayer by Mrs. Wasima Noor, Assistant Professor from the Department of Arabic. I request Mrs. Wasima Noor to recite few verses from the Holy Quran.
Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon to one and all. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الناس إنا خلقناكم من ذكر وأنثى وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل لتعارفوا إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم إن الله عليم خبير. Translation of Surah Hujurat, which means the apartment, verse number 13. I seek refuge in Allah from Satan the rejected, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. O mankind, we have created you from a male and a female, and made you into nations and tribes, that you may know one another. Verily, the most honorable of you with Allah is that one who has the righteousness. Verily, Allah is all-knowing and all-aware. Jazakallah khair.
Thank you, Mrs. Wasima. I request Madam Principal to deliver the inaugural address.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Islamic greetings of peace and blessings be showered upon all of us. And a very good afternoon to all who are virtually connected here. And I take pleasure in welcoming the resource person, Dr. Nasir Ali, and my colleagues to this 7-day FEP webinar organized by the IQAC of Justice Bashir Ahmed Said College for Women till 2nd June 2020. This COVID-19 pandemic has brought so much of change in all of us, and we are now forced to change our perception of teaching, and each one of us must raise ourselves to adopt this technology. In fact, even before this COVID-19, the IKC has organized a workshop for the staff of our college to incorporate the technology in our teaching, learning, and evaluation. And I know a few of staff have already ventured and also adopted this technology. But now the time has come for all of us, irrespective of our liking to technology, to adopt it. It is now a question of survival and ensuring that our students are not left in difficulty during these difficult times. Adopting technology has become mandatory, and it is the need of the hour. And therefore, the IKSC has decided to organize a 7-day faculty enrichment program of tech techniques to connect the students. I take pleasure to welcome the resource person, Dr. Nasir Ali, who is an author and a trainer in educational technology. He is working as an assistant professor at Aligarh Muslim University Center, Malappuram, Kerala. Dear staff members, I agree that technology can never replace a great teacher, but at the same time, it is the technology which is driving us in this current difficult lockdown times. Keeping this in mind, I welcome you all for this FEP program. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I would like Dr. Sujata, IQAC coordinator, to welcome and introduce our resource person, Dr. Nazir Ali.
Good afternoon to everyone. On behalf of the management, principal, faculty members, and the members of the IQAC of Justice Bashir Ahmad Said College for Women, I have a great pleasure to welcome all of you to this 7-day faculty enrichment program on Tech Techniques Connect to Students, organized by the Internal Quality Assurance Cell of Justice Bashir Ahmad Said College for Women under the banner of CPE. I extend my warm welcome to the resource person of this web workshop, Mr. Nasir Ali. I would like to give a small introduction about him. Mr. Nasir Ali kick-started his career at St. Xavier's International High School and Junior College, Panchgami, Maharashtra. He then elevated his position as an assistant professor in the Department of Education, Aligarh Muslim University Center, Malappuram, Kerala. His areas of interest in education are economics of education, educational philosophy, educational psychology, educational research, educational technology, environmental education. He is the editor of the book Education, Philosophy, Sociology and Economics. His area of research is education of the corporate secretaryship and ISM for putting me across to Mr. Nasir Ali. Thank you, Dr. Barkat. Tomorrow's learning is being showcased today. We all have the opportunity to prepare ourselves for tomorrow and to be one of the change agents heading towards future. I wish all of you a fruitful and unforgettable learning experience in the coming few days as you explore the technology trends in education. I hope you all enjoy every precious moment from today. I welcome all of you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I humbly request Dr. Nazir Ali to take over the session.
Thank you, Dr. Anju. And thanks a lot to Dr. Sujata, who invited me for this program through Dr. Barakat ma'am. And I'm very much happy to meet Dr. Shahnaz Ahmed, a very known person and knowledgeable person. And I'm very much happy to be here with you in the upcoming 1 week to learn together. As I always say, we are here to learn together. You are not here to learn from me alone. I'm there here to learn from you all here, and especially to have a very large number, 300 teachers from a very prestigious institute of South India is very great honor to me, I believe. And I'll be trying my level best to make these sessions beneficial to you all and to me too. And as Principal Ma'am was telling, technology will not replace the roles of great teachers. But what I believe is the teachers who use educational technology will be replacing the teachers who are not using the educational technology. And that is what the nature is teaching us through this COVID pandemic, right? The teachers who are unable to use the technology effectively during this toughest time, I should say, are not there in the picture. They are not able to connect to the minds of the learners when the students and the teachers are away from the education institution. But these social distancing has never made a distance to the teachers who use technology from their students. That is the greatness in this. And I strongly believe that there are major changes going to come in the field of education after this during this post-COVID period. I hope the teaching fraternity has to be well equipped to adopt and to accept the new changes which are going to emerge in the educational field. I hope like these programs are equipping the teachers of all the educational institutions throughout these days to accept the technology and to remove the digital inertia that many of the teachers had earlier. Now, through the continuous programs organized like this by every institutions, the teachers are getting the high confidence and they are getting efficiency, proficiency in using the technology throughout their teaching and learning processes. Thank you very much, and I would like to congratulate the organizers and the authority of the institution, especially the management who gave the permission for the teachers who are involved in this process of organizing this program to continue with the program. And I would like to congratulate all the teaching fraternity of the institution who have joined here with a strong motive, self motive, I should say, to learn and to be equipped themselves for the upcoming time after the during the COVID and after the post-COVID, means during the COVID and post-COVID. Thank you very much. We'll be entering to the session.